The pith is this white stuff, and it's very, very bitter. We don't want that in our lemon curd.
Thanks for joining us at Artisan Cakes. It's time for another tip of the day.
Get yourself a bowl that will hold your zester. Grab your lemon, freshly washed of course, and make sure you do have a real zester, a lemon zester, versus a Parmesan cheese grater. I have seen those erroneously used before. And we're going to scrape back and forth along that line. Our goal is to take the zest off without getting into the pith. What's the pith, you say? Well, it tastes like the pits. The pith is this white stuff, and it's very, very bitter. We don't want that in our lemon curd. We really just want the soft yellow portion.